Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to do the Google Map offline. Example, like you don't have a data anywhere, like you're going to go somewhere and you don't have a data and you wanna go know where the location. You can download it from home or office or anywhere if you have a Wi-Fi, and then you can use it anywhere, like traveling or going to somewhere they don't have data. You don't have a data like that. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna type here Google Map, and then you go to profile, and then here you're going to go offline Google Map, and then you're gonna select your own map. You're gonna choose anywhere you want. Like example, you can go to the Qatar here. You're gonna choose Qatar, and then you press here download, and we'll start to download now. So it'll take a little time to download it, so then you can use it for offline. Even you can rename it here. You can write Qatar and save it, and it will be your Qatar here. See, it's downloaded now still, and here down you're gonna see it how percentage will left, and then you go and use it anywhere. It's good for the traveling and anywhere, like you can travel to the other country and you don't have a data, so you can use it this one. So that's all for today. See you for next video. Subscribe, like and comment.